Hey everyone, in this video we will see how consumer cellular home phone base works, setup, ports, voicemail and connection guide. So, how to set up a consumer cellular home phone base? Place the home phone base near a window or another spot with a strong cellular signal. Then attach the antennas if your model includes them. Then insert the battery if your model has two removable battery. Then plug the power adapter into the home phone base and a wall outlet. Then turn on the home phone base. Then wait a few minutes until the signal light becomes steady. Connect your corded phone or cordless phone base to the phone 1 port using a telephone cable. Then pick up the phone and listen for a dial tone. Make a text call to confirm the phone base is working properly. So how to set up voicemail? Pick up the connected phone, then press and hold the 1 key. Follow the voice prompt, then create a voicemail password. Record your name and a personal greeting. Save your setting. Your voicemail is now ready to use. Thanks for watching.